Hey guys, so I'm going to show you the MSGEQ7 in action here. This is an MSGEQ7 module. On the left side here, there's 3 wires here, but the only one plugged in is an input wire, the audio input wire. And I'm just using a headphone cable plugged into my laptop. On the top right here, there's 5-volt DC power, ground, and also the analog into the Arduino, that blue wire, which is the output of the MSGEQ7. These 2 green wires are strobe and clock. Clock advances it to the next frequency component. Strobe starts it back over at the first frequency component, so like does a new line basically. So here is the Arduino code. Everything relating to the MSGEQ7 is something that I found online. Everything relating to lighting the LED is stuff that I've written. This is like a serial output, basically just showing you what's going on right now. I'll turn off this so you can see clearly. So there's 7 rows here. Each of these corresponds to one of the bandpass filters. And I can actually show you here which exactly the frequency components are. So the first column is a 63 hertz, then 160, third column's 400, then 1K, 2.5K, 6.25K, and 16K. So for example, this first column here is that 63 hertz. And then this amplitude here, so here I'm looking at amplitude is 70. That is basically finding the highest of the numbers in that row. So you see here 70 is the highest, so that's why it says 70. And then I equals 6, that's showing you which column has that highest amplitude, because these columns are numbered 0 through 6. So the last one is 6, that has the highest amplitude of 70, so I is 6 there. Whereas down here, the highest one is at 74, and that's in the 0 column right there. So I'm going to, and also here there's these red, green, blue wires, which are also outputs of the Arduino, and they go to the different legs of the LED, and the black is ground, and that goes into the ground pin of the Arduino output. So here's an audio file sweeping the frequency spectrum. And first I'll show you on the serial output here. So we are at 45 hertz. So you see that the first column is the highest because it's close. The frequency is closest to 63 hertz. Now as we get closer to the next bandpass, which we've just gotten to, now the second column is the highest number. It gets a little hard to read here. I'll slow it down. So yeah, you can see here the second column has an amplitude of 386. It catches that here. If that's the highest one, I equals 1 shows you that it's the second one. I'm going to restart the video here and show you the LED. So starts out blue. I'll try to get these both in frame here. So it's still blue here, and then as we approach the second value, there it goes to a blue-green. And then it's going to go a little more green, Forgive the Dutch angle here, it's the only way I can get both of these in frame. And as we approach the next one, might not look like it, but it is now solid green. And we're gonna have two more exciting color changes here. It's gonna go orange, there it is, and then red. Red's gonna be around 4 kilohertz here. And there it is. So there it is in action. See ya.